You only need 1 onion to keep your orchids blooming. Onions are packed with vitamins, iron, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, making them a great food source for many plants. Take 2 onions, peel them, and cut them into smaller pieces. Place them in a jar and pour in 13½ fluid ounces of cold water. Close the jar and let it sit for a few hours, keeping it covered to protect it from sunlight. After a few hours, strain the contents of the jar into a large bowl. To complete the mixture, add 2 tablespoons of milk. Milk contains calcium, essential for strong plant cell walls. This mixture will not only give your orchid's leaves a natural shine, but also help keep them clean and dust-free. Lastly, try soaking all the roots in this mixture. Water the plant and wait for any excess nourishment to drain off. For orchids that need extra care, leave them in the milk water for a few hours. The mixture will penetrate all the roots. You'll be amazed at how great your orchid looks the next day.